Good morning everyone. This is Sarmishta Paul. Today I am going to interview Arpita Katakol about her new bakery that she has started recently. Congratulations Arpita on your new bakery. How are you feeling about it right now?
Well, thank you. I'm completely overwhelmed with the responses that I've received. I absolutely enjoy baking for my clients. Of course, when you hear something good about your work, you feel really good. So, when you're baking newly, there are a lot of mistakes that you do. So, the only way to improve is by repeatedly baking. So, it's important to have a positive mindset and just focus on your work.
Nice. When did your baking journey start?
I started baking a few years ago. I would bake at families' birthdays, but I seriously started baking only during the lockdown. I tried a lot of new recipes, experimented with them before I started my small business. My family were my taste testers.
Okay, nice. The Better House is a very suitable name for your bakery. How did you come up with it?
I came up with a number of options to choose from. I wanted the words home or house in the name because that's where my journey started. And I didn't want something that's very particular to a certain dish. So the batter house seemed like the perfect one.
Okay, nice. When you first started the bakery, what did you find most challenging about being a home baker?
Since I started during the lockdown, finding customers was a task. However, there were a few people who wanted to buy from the batter house since I baked purely at home. I was new to the whole business thing, so I had to figure out how I wanted my packaging to look, how I wanted my stickers to look, and how I wanted my social media posts to look. So with all of that, I had a dear friend helping me out.
Oh, that's great. So Arpita, what are your favorite things to bake?
Well, that's a difficult one. I like baking cookies and decorating cakes.
Okay. What is your favorite item to eat from your home?
That keeps changing for me, but my current favorite is the strawberry galette.
Okay. So your bakery's Instagram page is very pretty. How did you keep up with it?
Uh, Posting regularly and keeping up with trends is really time consuming. I schedule a particular time for this. I research and experiment with food photography, and I just keep trying until I get my perfect picture.
That's great. What are your future plans regarding this business?
I want to expand my menu, have more gluten-free and vegan options, and have dishes that are healthy and tasty.
Okay. Looking forward to order from your bakery. Thank you Arpita for speaking with us. It is very inspiring talking to you. We wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you.